What's up, guys? We're here in Red Hook, Brooklyn. Came out here to meet a good friend of mine, also real estate mogul HL. Go check out his channel, HL Dynasty. He is taking delivery of 2023 Red Model X with cream interior. We're gonna chat with him, see how he likes the car, and see how he likes the overall Tesla experience. He's waited almost a year for this car, so let's go check him out now. All right, HL.
We're gonna get you that.
How do you feel about this?
Can I show you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
I'm not the guy to be excited about cars.
I know, which is why I'm so surprised that you're here.
I don't even do this. I'm not. If this was a Mustang, a 1964, it's just after years. It's like, okay.
You don't care that this is gonna be faster than the Mustang?
No, I don't care. It's the same, bro. It's no vroom. Yeah, it's like, we're committed to the electric. You know what I mean? What happens when the electric goes out? You know, but I'll still try it.
That's true.
I'm trying it. You know what I mean? I'm open-minded, so I want to be open-minded and try something new.
Hey.
Even though I bought a Tesla 5 years ago.
Model 3.
Model 3, right?
Yeah.
But I never drove it. I think I drove it for 5 minutes and then pulled over and said, that's not for me. So here we are 5 years later.
5 years later, and the Model X.
Model X.
We're here at Red Hook Tesla Service Center. HL just got delivery of this beautiful red Model X. I mean, there are a couple of things that are different in this one than mine. One is that swivel screen. I wish I had that swivel screen. It looks really, really, really beautiful. And then the other thing that I think is different is, well, clearly he's got the cream interior. I have the white interior. No regrets on that front. White, I feel like white is better than cream. He's got a 7-seat configuration. I have a 6. I wouldn't do it any other way. 6 with the captain chairs. And he's got a red Model X versus my black. If I had to do it again, red, man, red. So HL, you just took delivery of the Model X.
Yes.
I know these things don't excite you all that often, but I did see some smiles when the car started dancing.
You can change it up.
This I like now. This is cool.
So
oh shit, yeah.
What are your initial thoughts?
I said, okay, that's cool. It's exciting. Now I'm good. It had something I never had before.
Yeah.
Right?
And it's super modern, right?
Oh, so this is very modern. This is too much technology for me right now, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah.
I have too much it's overwhelming in a way.
Yeah.
I gotta absorb everything.
Yeah.
Not that I'm stupid, but this is my first electric car, right?
Yeah.
I own the other Tesla, but I don't drive it.
Yeah.
Jovine drives it, right?
Yeah.
So, for right now, I got a lot of learning to do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I got a lot of learning to see all these devices that are here, but it's mostly a mini computer.
Yeah. Well, once you start driving, you're gonna feel that speed, and I guarantee you're gonna be addicted to it. So I kind of like this is just you taking delivery, but I do want to do like maybe a 100-mile review, see your initial thoughts of the speed, how it handles, the capability, everybody, how comfortable they are in the back, how comfortable you are, your thoughts on the yoke, because this is like a spaceship.
I thought this was gonna come out and pop out and fucking turn all over the place and become transform or something like that. I mean, I'm like, holy shit.
That's a 2025
How do you beep
Model
this?
X.
Does this beep?
Oh, this is my worst.
How do you beep
my
now?
worst thing. This grinds my gears. This is the way you beep right here. Which makes no sense. It's like you should be able to do that, but
okay.
yeah.
See, I didn't know that.
I know.
And then this is
those are the blinkers. So it's not a button, it's haptic.
But then when you turn, it shuts off, or you got to do it again?
Yeah, so if you turn the lane, you turn from one lane to the other, you go from one lane to the other, it shuts off automatically. So it's a super smart car, and you'll get used to it. And 100 miles, we'll do another review. We'll initial thoughts
Okay.
of you driving. On that note, congratulations.
All right, thank you. Thank you for the good blessings here now.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna figure this out. Let's see how I'm gonna drive this damn thing. I'll figure it out. So now I gotta go back to this, right?
Yeah.
And that was music. Yeah. Phone.
This is the music right
So wait, how about you calling me on this phone? Call me on my cell. Yeah, I want to see how this one works.